What's up, YouTube? Ah man, it's been so long since I've uploaded anything online, and you know, like, I've been busy with work and trying to balance that, and lately I can't do that. So for my New Year's resolution, you know, starting my YouTube channel up again, making music, vlogs, gaming now, you know, check it out. It's www.youtube.com/gamingwithvtt. You know, I hope you subscribe to my original music channel, which is my full name, inVINHcible, and you know, my gaming channel, which I am releasing hopefully soon. But yeah, this will probably be put into the intro of my first gaming video. I've got a vlog that I need editing. Once I've finished that vlog, I'm going to post it up, make some playlists. So what I'm doing now is starting my music channel up first, adding in my gaming channel, and then if everything goes to plan, then I'm going to make a third channel which will be just full on vlogs and just adventures and things that I do and I get up to with my life, work, everything. So yeah, hope you enjoy it, subscribe. All the details are down below, and yeah, here's my first gaming video. Hey guys, VTT here, playing a bit of FIFA 14 Ultimate Team. If you look in the top left hand corner, you can see that my wins and my losses are very similar. FIFA 14 is a hard game. What you see me doing now is just randomly picking a team, and I'm not looking at the screen because I have quite a lot of squads. Okay, cool. I picked Brazil. So yeah, I'm going to start this team. I'm going to start this now. Here goes. Who am I facing? Spurs fan? Scotty 94. Are you my lucky opponent? Bean squad. Oh, ratings good. Oh, see, all these Spanish players have such high ratings. Fair enough, some of them are meant to be like... I swear I just saw Dani Alves as Team of the Year player, and I'm thinking, nah, I don't know, is he alright for a Team of the Year? You have like players like Ribery and stuff in Team of the Year, or Philip Lahm. Yeah, I get it, you know. I get that. Go. Oh, he's doing a KSI. He doesn't do very well, actually. What am I doing? Yes, yes, yes. Come on, Hernandez. Come on, Hernandez. Yes, let's go, let's go. Boom. Done. Yeah, I admit I'm OP when it comes to headers. Like FIFA 12, FIFA 13, FIFA 14. I know some of my friends like Benny and them lot. Oh, man. Back then, the only thing I could score was headers. So I admit, yeah. Still can. I have to admit, FIFA 14 has changed a lot throughout all the other FIFAs. It's just another level now. Oh my god, oh my god. Oops, sorry about that. This guy's not even that good, man. Why am I not? What am I doing? Come on. Come on, come on. Beat him, brilliant. Yes. Well done, brilliant. Get in. Yeah, go! Hope he comes to Arsenal, which is probably never going to happen in January. Probably in the summer, you know, but... Come on. 2-0. Oh, sorry. My bad. Don't know why I stopped play there. Yes. Too much for you, Bean Squad. Scotty 94. Come on. Come on. go. Love these celebrations. I find that whenever I try to do a celebration, it takes forever to actually do the celebration. Like, I did it before I even liked it. I don't know why. To, you know, share with everyone something that I enjoy. Share with everyone the things I do, the things I get up to. You know, when it comes to music, it's a passion of mine, something that's part of me all my life. And come on, first time, first. Yeah, it's been a passion of mine, and hope you guys can support me and you know, join me in this, you know, in this direction, because I do a lot of music, do a lot of vlogs, all sorts of stuff. So yeah, second half, here we come. I can't believe you missed that. That's a gift. Happy New Year, man. Happy New Year. That's it. Oh, it's so slow at passing. Come on, keep on it. Oh, I don't think he's gonna score at all. Like, I do feel for him though, because he is shooting. It's not like he's not. So I've never really taken my chance. Oh, lob him. I think that's it. I do like these couples. If I've heard right, then I know that he's really good in real life as well. And things like that, you know, it's going to be pricey. Imagining Suarez. Oh, KSI, he might be successful. No. Alright. I'm defending okay, but I really need to stop defending in the... Oh my god, what am I doing? In the last second. I thought that was a penalty. Yes, that's it. Come on, Osvaldo. Jordi Alba got nothing on you. Yes. Jordi Alba got nothing on you. Oh my god. Can't beat me in headers, my friend. Header king. I'd say like 75-80% of the time my headers are always successful, but oh my god, defend. Oh man, I really do feel sorry for this guy. Oh, he's so unlucky. Like, he's not doing anything wrong. Well, okay, besides defending, but he's not. Ah man, like I know how. Ooh, you know what? FIFA apology? Do you think, huh, guys? FIFA apology? Yes. That's it. FIFA apology done. Alright, because I don't know who he is, I'm not gonna bother messaging him saying stuff like, you know, I'm not an idiot, and I'm not gonna brag. But 5-0.
Well, chaos defensively, Alan, with the goalkeeper a long way away from home. Yeah, I mean, he won't
too much.
Now they've made it 5-0.
He's still trying the KSI things. Like, alright, I faced a guy who's actually.
Possession in the midfield area.
What's that? Okay.
When we talked at the start of the season, Alan, about this team.
So yeah, guys, subscribe. That's Gaming with VTT, and I hope you enjoyed that massacre. Yeah.